Science is a part of our everyday lives. Wonderful surprises right before your very eyes.
Hi guys, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to learn about how does the molecules move in different states of matter. For this purpose, we are going to make an experiment, okay? We are going to use cold water, hot water, and ice cubes, okay? So you are going to be super careful with the hot water, okay? So, and also we are going to use food coloring. So you are going to use all those 4 ingredients, okay? Ice, hot water, cold water, and food coloring. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a physical model of how molecules are arranged in a solid, in a liquid, and in a gas. So let's pretend that this is a container, okay? And these are the molecules. We are going to start with a solid, okay? So in a solid, okay, let's pretend that this is a solid, okay? So the molecules on a solid are super tight, okay? They are super close, so it's very difficult that they move, okay? So that's why, well, you will see in your investigation and you're going to tell me what's going to happen, okay? So let's pretend that we use water in a solid form, okay? What is water in a solid form? Do you remember? Can you tell me what is water in solid form? Yes, correct. Water in solid form, it's called ice, okay? It's one of the forms of water like a solid, okay? Let's pretend that they have the same size, okay? I'm not very good with clay, but let's pretend that they have the same size. So the molecules inside a solid are like this, okay? Are super tight, are very close. So when they move, it's going to be very difficult. They just like shake. They create little shakes, okay? Now I'm going to change it to a liquid, okay? On a liquid, the particles or the molecules are more separate, okay? So let's pretend, let's remove a little bit or move it like this, okay? So these are the molecules inside a liquid, okay? So they can move easier, okay? They move in an easy way, okay? So that's why you see this model, okay? This model is for liquids, okay? So the molecules and the liquids are more separate than the solids, okay? So the water, of course, it's an example of liquids. So last week you sent me a list with a lot of liquids like juice, soda, water, I don't know, you send me a lot of examples. So today you are going to create or to experiment with those samples, okay? But you are going to experiment with solids, with liquids, and you're going to tell me if you can do it with gas or not. And in gases, the molecules are super separate, okay? They have enough space to move a lot, okay? So that's why the smoke goes very fast to different places. Okay, I've got some water boiling here, okay? What do you think that it's happening here? Okay, what state of matter is this? Okay, do we have 1 state of matter or 2 or 3? What do you think? Yes, okay, here we have the state of matter of liquid, but also we have a gas, okay? the water is turning into a gas. Why? Why do you think that this is happening here? Okay, the liquid comes in form of gas because of the heat. Okay, so the heat of the water goes out in form of a gas. Now, what will happen if I cool the gas down? Okay, well, first, so we all agree that when the water molecules are heated up, they turn into a gas. But this process, it's called evaporation. Okay, now what will happen if I cool the gas down? Okay, now how I'm going to cool it? I'm going to put a lid. Okay, it's a clear plate. Okay, and then it start to cool the gas. Okay, so what do you think that's going to happen? And now I'm going to put ice cubes on top. Okay, I'm going to cool down this gas. Okay, I'm going to cool the gas. Okay, what do you notice? Okay, what can you see here? Yes, very good. The gas is condensing back into water when it's cooled. Okay, so the little droplets, can you see here the droplets of water? They are forming on the plate. Okay, so the gas is turning back into water. Okay, so today we are going to investigate the states of matter and how molecules move in each. Okay, so you are going to put three different cups, one with cold water, one with ice, and one with hot water. Okay, you will add a drop of food coloring to each and you will observe what happens. Okay, after this you are going to tell me, you're going to answer the worksheet that I'm going to send you. But first than anything, you are going to tell me, what do you think that's going to happen when you add food colorant to the hot water, cold water, and just the ice? Okay, you will have 3 different cups. Okay, so you, according to this, you're going to tell me what do you think that's going to happen. You're going to tell me your hypothesis, okay, and then you are going to send me your worksheet. Okay, so you're going to tell me your observation on the 3 different cups. Okay, and then you are going to tell me, you're going to answer and you're going to tell me what really happens after you add a drop or 1 or 2 drops of food coloring. I'm going to give you just a clue. Okay, how do you think that they move? I already told you. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 and then I'm going to say bye-bye. Okay, tell me, give me your answers and send it back by CISO. Okay, thank you guys.